Picture this. It's a scorching hot summer day. You've been dreaming about that perfectly chilled, crisp, and unbelievably sweet slice of watermelon. You head to the store, you see that giant bin of green, striped beauties, and you grab the one that just feels right. You lug that heavy thing all the way home, your anticipation building with every step. You place it on the counter, grab your biggest knife, and with that satisfying crack, you split it open, only to be met with crushing disappointment. Have you ever been there? You cut it open, and it's pale pink instead of a vibrant ruby red. It's mushy, mealy, or worse, it tastes like absolutely nothing, just watery sadness. It's one of the biggest gambles in the produce aisle, and let's be honest, nobody likes losing that bet. It feels like you've wasted your money and your time. Well, I'm here to tell you that your watermelon woes are officially over. Not anymore. Your days of guessing and hoping are done, because picking the perfect watermelon isn't about luck. It's a science. And today, I'm going to be your professor. I'm going to show you the 3 essential things you absolutely must look for to guarantee you pick a sweet, crunchy, and incredibly juicy watermelon every single time. We're talking about that perfect, satisfying crunch with every bite, a sweetness that tastes like pure sunshine, and so much juice you'll need a napkin or 2. These aren't just old wives' tales or random guesses. These are real farmer tricks and grocery pro secrets that have been passed down through generations, insider knowledge from the people who handle thousands of these melons a season. They know the subtle signs that 99% of shoppers walk right past. And today, I'm sharing those secrets with you. Now, before we dive into the good stuff, do me a quick favor. If you're ready to become a watermelon picking expert, hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on more kitchen secrets. And for a little fun, comment with an emoji down below if you absolutely love watermelon. It really helps the channel out. Alright, enough talk. Are you ready to elevate your summer shopping game to a whole new level? Let's head to the patch, or the grocery store, and get this right. Let's go. Alright, first up, let's talk about the most overlooked, but maybe the most important clue on any watermelon. Forget thumping it for a second, we'll get to that. The first thing your eyes should be looking for is what we call the field spot. Now this isn't a blemish or a bruise. This is the spot where the watermelon rested on the ground, soaking up nutrients from the soil while the rest of it was bathing in the sun. Think of it as the melon's belly button. It's the one part of the fruit that hasn't seen the sun, and that little patch tells you the melon's entire life story. It's the single most reliable indicator of ripeness, and it's the difference between a perfectly sweet slice and a watery, bland disappointment. So, what are we looking for? You want to find a field spot that's a deep, creamy, buttery yellow color. Some people even call it a golden hue. When you see that rich yellow, it's like the watermelon is winking at you, telling you it spent a long, lazy time ripening on the vine under the warm sun. On the flip side, if you see a spot that's pale, stark white, or even has a greenish tint, that's a major red flag. A white spot is a dead giveaway that the melon was picked way too early, before it had a chance to mature. It was rushed from the field to the store. Here's the science behind it, and it's pretty simple. As the watermelon ripens on the vine, the chlorophyll, that's the stuff that makes it green, in that spot on the ground begins to break down. This process reveals the natural yellow pigments underneath. A longer time on the vine means more chlorophyll breakdown, which means a deeper, richer yellow. This ripening process is directly tied to sugar development. That time on the vine is when the melon is producing all those delicious sugars that give you that deep red color, that incredible sweetness, and that satisfying crisp crunch. A white-spotted melon never got that chance. And here's the kicker. Unlike a banana or an avocado, a watermelon does not continue to ripen after it's been picked. It just doesn't happen. So if you bring home a melon with a white field spot, hoping it'll get sweeter on your counter in a few days, you're just going to end up with an older, still unripe watermelon. It will be bland, watery, and a total waste of your hard-earned cash. So, make it a rule. When you're at the grocery store or the farmer's market, pick up that melon and turn it over. It's the first and most important test. If that field spot isn't a clear, confident yellow, put it back. Don't even think twice. Your perfect watermelon is in that pile, You just have to look for the one that's proudly showing off its sun-kissed golden belly. We're going for guaranteed sweetness, not a gamble. These brown, scar-like lines? That's webbing, and they are your best friend. It means bees visited the flower multiple times, spreading pollen. More bee pollination means more sugar inside the fruit. Give it a gentle tap. A deep, hollow sound means firm, juicy flesh and high water content. A dull, flat sound? That melon is going to be soft, mushy, or flavorless. Next, pick up 2 melons of similar size. The heavier one is juicier, and juicier means sweeter. Still watching? You're smart. Here's extra winning tricks. Round shape means it's sweeter. Oval means it's more watery. Dry stem means naturally ripened. Green means picked too early. Dull skin means ripe. Shiny means underripe. Sugar spots or dark dots means extremely sweet. Quick recap. Yellow field spot. Webbing or bee marks. Hollow sound and heavy feel. Bonus. Round shape, dull skin, dry stem. If your melon checks all these boxes, congratulations. You've got yourself a sweet, red, juicy winner every time. And there you have it. Armed with these pro tips, you're now officially a watermelon whisperer. You'll never have to suffer through a bland, mealy, or underripe melon again. Imagine the satisfaction of showing up to the next family barbecue or summer picnic and slicing open the absolute perfect watermelon every single time. That's the power we've given you today. Now, if you found this guide helpful and you're ready to claim your title as the official watermelon selector for your crew, do us a huge favor and smash that like button. It tells the algorithm that we're doing a good job and helps other folks find this video. And if you want to become the savviest shopper on your block, you've got to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We're constantly dropping new guides on how to pick the best of everything. You don't want to miss out. And hey, be a hero. Share this video with someone who loves watermelon. Or maybe someone who, let's be honest, could use a little help in the produce aisle. We all have that friend, right? Send it to them. You'll be doing a public service. Now we gotta know where you stand on the great watermelon debate. It's a serious topic here at Consumer's Choice. Are you team sweet and crunchy, where every bite has that crisp, satisfying snap? Or are you all about team soft and juicy, where the flavor is so intense the juice just drips down your chin? Let us know in the comments below. Also, tell us if you have any of your own secret watermelon picking techniques. Did your grandma teach you a special trick? We love learning from our community. And if this video has inspired you to go on a watermelon run, drop a watermelon emoji in the comments, so we know our mission was a success. Thanks for watching Consumer's Choice Top 5. We're here to help you choose smarter, every time. We'll see you in the next one.